Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, in this video I gonna show a different crochet project and different crochet pattern ideas. You can see different animals and vegetable masks, different crochet outfits, party dresses, different crochet toys, and beautiful and stylish crochet flower ideas. You can make easily the crochet patterns for your baby boy, baby girls, for your friends and family members. You can go on the gifts, so you can give the different crochet patterns, flowers, bouquet, and etc. And you can see it's winter season, and you can know it's winter, so where you gonna wear different warm clothes like sweaters and leggings, crochet legging and sweater ideas. And you can see it is very amazing and stylish. And I hope you like my video, and please share your friends and family members. And you can see more video, then please viewers like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And you can see more video, then press the bell icon and share your friends and family members. And you can see more different beautiful stylish crochet projects, so you can visit my YouTube channel. You can see different beautiful and stylish crochet pattern ideas, and it is very amazing and stylish. And viewers, so Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye, see you soon.